Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm gonna be doing a review of something I didn't even know this stuff existed. And that is a set of heated battery powered, I'm getting ready to share with you, I know it seems crazy, battery powered socks. Now, this company reached out to me and they said, hey Ryan, we got these intelligent heating socks that come with a super cool battery. There's a whole bunch of crazy stuff in a good way that comes with these. Can you please do a review? Because I don't think people have a full appreciation for these battery operated socks. Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever, because these were provided to me, it's not going to affect my review. I'm just here to keep it real. Let's get into it. So once you open up this actually very nice box, there inside you're going to find two pair of long socks. Obviously the sock size that you would be wearing. They might come in different colors, I'm not really sure, but I said send me black if you got it. And what all you get? Set of socks. These are like full length, full calf socks. 13 inches from the top of your foot up. You know, so they're pretty much gonna cover your calves. Now, the heating element that's inside these seems to be primarily in the toe region. But these are thick. I mean, these are, you can see here, this is a thick set of socks. Very nice, soft. You can see here from the shape of these, there's some constriction here, if you will. So they fit nicely. Let me show you what they look like. All right, so as you can see, these things are calf height. And I don't know if these are supposed to be on the outside or on the inside. I had them on the outside, as you can see in the video. And so you get the socks. You get a battery pack that fits in here. You get one for each sock. Comes apart like this. And there's two of these that look just like this. You also get a charging, I call these charging bricks. You have a USB connection here. This all plugs in. And then you have a double plug, one for each sock. So you can charge them just like this at the exact same time. It says the instructions, which these came completely charged. It says you might want to charge them up to 4 hours, but they were totally charged when I got it. And the use life is, it will give off warmth for 8 to 10 hours. And then what you do is you just take this, and they have these built-in little pouches right here. It tucks away, and then you can manually turn these on like that. You can cycle through the heat settings manually without the app. You have one that's green, one that's red, and one that's amber and orange color, and that would be the different heats. Now, I will say, I was thinking at first you're gonna feel like wires or something in here. You don't feel any of that. These are very comfortable, would fit in ski boots or anything like that where you needed some extra warmth, or just to walk around the house and you wanted to have some, something warm. And this is not very heavy. It might look like it's got like a little bit of a bulk to it, so that's about a 1 inch thick right there as far as the battery and this is concerned. But they stay up and it's not heavy at all. It's pretty lightweight as far as this whole mechanism is concerned. There is in the instructions of an app to download. You don't need to set up an account or anything like that. It's connected via Bluetooth. And you can connect this from your phone. So if you're walking around, you're doing your daily thing or whatever it is, you're skiing, whatever it is where you would need to have maybe some heated socks, you have this in here. It'll tell you the battery life right here and here for each sock. And then you can adjust the temperature right here from the actual app, which will adjust automatically via Bluetooth to your sock. And then you can actually just turn this on. So let's just say if you wanted to set it and forget it, you could literally set this up to 180 minutes on a timer. Set it, walk away, and be done, and it will heat to your low, medium, or high temperature, however you want it. You could also pause it, or you can even turn them off completely from the app. So, in summary, if you're looking for socks and you want something that you can actually heat, you can recharge 8 to 10 hours, I was like very, very, very surprised. Again, most of the heating element, which you can't feel how it's wired, I have absolutely no idea how the technology works, is all down here. And the cool part is that all you got to do to wash these is you wash them by hand, you disconnect the battery, and these can definitely, if you're concerned, for sure can be washed. It's recommended by hand, dried, and then dried, not in your dryer. Hopefully that helps answer all your questions about these socks, and we'll talk to you soon.